We make about 350 apples a minute when all the machines are going and when the gourmet line is going. In Missouri, we use mostly Jonathan apples, and that's what we grow at our orchards in Marthasville. That's our main crop, is the Jonathan apple. It's a nice crisp apple. It's got a tart flavor to it, and it mixes great with the caramel and the toppings that we put on it. Hi, I am Joette Reedy, and I am the owner of Happy Apples. And with my husband, Ed, we run the Happy Apple Factory and the orchards. The orchards are located right here in Marthasville, Missouri, right in the middle of wine country, and our factory is located halfway between Washington and Union. So Happy Apples is a 100% female-owned company. I am the owner. I start out my day every day in the factory. I get there to greet the employees as they come in. I see what products we have to run that day, what orders came in through the night. I get the line started. I'm on the floor with the people, checking the quality, making sure that it's what we want it to be, that everything is set and ready to go to our consumers.
My wife's parents started the business back in the late 60s. They were in the produce business, wholesale produce distribution, and then they got into manufacturing caramel apples and then eventually established an orchard.
They first started a fruit and produce company that my grandpa started. He came over as an immigrant from Italy, and he started working in St. Louis at Produce Row. And from there he learned English and went from being the guy that loaded trucks to the guy that was driving the trucks to the guy that was making the deliveries. And from there, my parents started Happy Apples.
So we grow and pack fresh apples at our orchard here in Marthasville. We bag fresh apples, we sort them into candy apples for our caramel apple use. We also produce fresh cider here for some of our bulk customers as well.
I love walking into Schnucks in the fall. I love it when I walk in and that very first thing you see is their awesome display of Happy Apples. And it doesn't get any more local than that. We grow the apples, we caramel the apples, and our employees are always texting me pictures saying, look what I found at Schnucks today. And they're proud to see what they make and what they work hard at being on display at Schnucks. And they love it when they see that their friends are buying local products that they make and that we grow. And it's just a perfect combination, a perfect partnership with Happy Apples and Schnucks.